hunters. You see that fly? That sky raisin gonna get you? Is that sky raisin just your enemy right now? Is that a bad sky raisin? You can go get it, Stasia. It's okay. Just don't shred the curtain, but you'll be fine. What about you, Moo? Do you want the sky raisin? You don't hunt as much as Stasia does. Yes, I know, little girls. I know you are hunters. Moo hunts my feet and toes, but not the sky raisins. Yeah, do it again. It's okay, Stasia. You get it. I trust you, baby hunter. It's okay. Do you want me to pat the curtain so it'll fly down here? Here, I got it. There we go. Now it's flying. Pat the curtain again. See if we can get it closer to you. Oh, now Moo's after it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go, you guys? Where'd it go, Moo? Oh, there. Oh, now it's, oh, see, it's closer. It's closer, baby. The mighty hunters. You get the sky raisin. It's okay. You get it. You get it, little hunter. It's protein. Come on, Moo. You get it too. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, here comes Nanners too. Nanners loves her sky raisins. It's still over here. Where'd it go? Where did it go? Oh. Did you almost get it? Did you almost get it, my sweetling? What about you, Moo? Did you almost get it? Where'd it go, guys? Where'd it go, Nanners? Oh, Stasia, you stepped in the bowl full of water, huh? I was soaking a dish and you stepped in it. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. I think. Oh, Moo's chasing it into the living room. Okay. So it's in the living room, guys.